Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Akib and here I share with you some amazing automation ideas. Guys, are you trying hard to build strong relationship with your customers but somehow besides all your efforts you couldn't retain them to build a long-term relationship with them? So not to worry, I have a solution for you. And the solution is not to create bigger marketing campaigns or to switch to a new CRM or to have celebrities to do marketing for you. The solution is pretty simple and yet so profound. Thank you for staying with us till this point of this video. And it was so nice of you that you clicked on this video when you saw it. Did you get my point? Small words of appreciation and gratitude can make huge impact in your personal as well as your professional relationships. So, today I'm going to tell you an automation technique which will let you create a thanking video for your customers and it will be shared with your customers automatically. Yes, guys. So, let me show you. So guys, to create this automation, we are using a software called as Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And the flow of our automation will look something like this. As and when you add the data of the customers here in a spreadsheet in Google Sheets application, here I am using Google Sheets, you can use any other spreadsheet application as well. So according to the data of the customers, a video will be created automatically with the help of Voxo application and the same video will be shared with your customers automatically via an email and we are sending this email from Gmail account. Okay, so this process is going to happen automatically. Now let's set up this automation together. So guys, the first step to create this automation is to log in into your Pabbly Connect account. So guys, please do check the link that I've pasted in the description from where you can reach the landing page of Pabbly Connect and there you can set up your free Pabbly Connect trial account in just 2 minutes. After that, you can log in and reach here on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. And here you have to set up a workflow of automation. So to create a workflow, you just have to click here on this create workflow button like this. And here you can give any suitable name to a workflow. So let me fill the name here. So guys, I have given the name to this workflow as send thank you video to your customers automatically. Okay. So now you can click here on this create button and you can see your workflow getting created here like this. And on this page, you will find these two things, the trigger and the action. So our automation work on these two things. The trigger acts as a signal to this workflow that when this happens, that means when any event occurs, this workflow have to start working and according to the trigger it has to perform a function an action. Okay, so action is the response to the trigger. Okay, as in our use case, the trigger would be to enter the details of your customer in a spreadsheet that we have here like this, and as this trigger happens, what will happen, action will create a video of the out of the details you got here in your spreadsheet, and that video will be delivered to your customers automatically. Okay, so this is the spreadsheet I have created in Google Sheets application, guys. And here you can see I have this data, the media 1, title 1, text 1, media 2, title 2, text 2, media 3, title 3, text 3, and the customer email. So what are these things? Actually, let me show you this media. So this is a thank you photo. Okay, and this is another media I have as another thank you, and by combining these three images that I have filled here and combining these three texts that I have filled here, I'm going to create a video with the help of Voxo application. That's why I have entered the details in this sequence: media 1 attached with the title 1 attached with the text 1, media 2, title 2, text 2. So I'm going to use this sequence only to fill in Voxo application so that we can create a video. Okay, so right. So first of all, we have to connect this spreadsheet here as a trigger application. So click here on this trigger window, and from this choose app field, you have to choose Google Sheets application. Okay, and here it will provide you a trigger event, and the event would be a new spreadsheet row is added or updated. Okay, so you have to select this. So it will trigger whenever you enter a new row here. Okay. So it gives us this URL. This is called as a webhook URL, guys. So it is used to fetch data from any external source here to here in Pabbly Connect. Okay. So we are going to fetch the data which is here in Pabbly Connect first. And with the help of that data only, we are going to set up this automation further. Now, you just have to click here on this copy button and it will start showing this waiting for the webhooks response. Okay, now you have to go to your spreadsheet and let me show you how you can connect your spreadsheet. So guys, this is my spreadsheet here, and here you have to click on extensions and go to add-ons and click on get add-ons option. And when you click on get add-ons, this window, which is Google Workspace Marketplace, will open up. And from here in this search bar, you have to search for Pabbly, Pabbly, Pabbly Connect Webhooks. Okay, so you have to search for Pabbly Connect Webhooks app and you have to install this app here in your spreadsheet. Okay, so you can see I have already installed it. It take only 2 minutes. It will take only 2 minutes. So you can also install it easily. After installing this here, you have to refresh your spreadsheet. This is an important step. Please remember, after installing Pabbly Connect Webhooks, you have to refresh the spreadsheet. Okay, after refreshing, when you go to extensions again, you will find this Pabbly Connect Webhooks option available here in this drop down only. Okay, and from here you have to go to the initial setup. Click on initial setup and this window will open up, and here it will ask for the webhook URL and the trigger column. So in this webhook URL field, you have to paste the webhook URL that you have copied from Pabbly Connect. And here in this trigger column, you have to enter the last data entry or the final data entry column you have in your spreadsheet. So as you can see, the last or the final data entry column I have is this J column. Okay, so I have to enter J here in Pabbly Connect Webhooks initial setup. Okay, so first let me paste the webhook URL that I have copied from Pabbly Connect, and here you can see I have put this J. Okay, and now when you click on send test, the data of the first row that we have in the spreadsheet will be delivered to Pabbly Connect as the test data. Okay, so you can see in Pabbly Connect it is showing waiting for the webhook response. Now let's click on send test here. Let me click on send test, and you will see the data sent successfully is showing up here. Now click on submit. Okay, and now let's check in Pabbly Connect. And guys, you can see here in Pabbly Connect, we got the details of the first row that I have in the spreadsheet like this. Okay, media 1, title 1, text 1, media 2, title 2, text 2, and it has all the details that we have filled in our spreadsheet. And yeah, so we have captured the test data. Okay, now you have to remember one thing more. After pasting and collecting the test data, you have to go to extensions again in your spreadsheet, and from Pabbly Connect Webhooks option, click on this send on event button. Okay, so when you click on send on event, what will happen whenever you add a new row here, the data of that row will be fetched by Pabbly Connect automatically and the workflow will run. Okay. Okay, so now what we want is that to create a video out of this data that we have captured here. Okay, for that you have to use we are using Voxo application, guys. So Voxo is a video creating application, and first we need to connect Voxo in our Pabbly Connect, and with the help of this data only we are going to create a video. Let me show you how. So first of all, click here on this action window, and from this choose app you have to select the action application now, which is Voxo. Okay, so this is Voxo we have, and it will provide you these 3 action events: generate native video in bulk, or get video. So here we are selecting generate native video option. Okay, and then click on connect, and from this window select add new connection, and here it will ask for this team ID and the API key. So guys, to find these things you have to log in into your Voxo account, and in my account section you will find these things. Let me show you. This is my Voxo account, guys, and here I'm going to click on this profile icon, and here I have this my account section. Okay, and on this page when you scroll down, you have to scroll down a bit more, and here you can see we have this current team ID. So you have to click on this copy icon like this, and you have to paste the team ID here in this team ID field in Pabbly Connect. And for the API key, follow the same process. This is the API key, guys. Click on copy icon, paste it here in the API key field. Okay. Then click on save, and you will see that will be connected with Voxo like this. So it started showing connected here. Okay. Now it is asking for all these things that we have in a spreadsheet. That is a title one, text one, media one. And guys, you can create a native video with the help of 5 text and photos. So it will provide you fields for 5 text and photos. But now we have 3 photos just to show you the demo. So we can leave all these things blank. So guys, here you have to map the data that you got from the very first step, which is the test data. Okay, so to map data here, you just have to click here on this title field, and it will show you the first step in the drop down, which is Google Sheets. So click here and you will find all the details that you have captured in the very first step. And the title one is here. So click on it to map it like this. For the text one, find the text one from here. This is it. For the media one, you will find the media URL here, which is this. Okay. So similarly, you can map all other details too. Let me map the things. So I have mapped the details here of the text and the images, and I'm leaving these fourth and fifth images and text field blank. And in the video shape, you can select the video shape, the aspect ratio of the video like this: 1:1, 4:5, 16:9. Okay, so I'm selecting 1:1. You can enter the logo URL of your company. Here you can put the font URL, and you can completely customize the video. You can enter the music as well if you have the link of the music. Okay, right now for now I'm leaving these things blank, but you can do it. And let's check the connection with Voxo. I'm going to click on save and send test request, and we'll see if a video got created here with the help of the data that I've mapped. Okay, so it will show you the response here like this. You can see now it is showing the success code, the job ID. Okay, and this is the landing page, but you can see in the native status it is showing pending. So guys, Voxo takes some times to create a video out of the data that you have entered here. It won't create the videos instantly as you enter the data here and click on save and send test request. Okay, so if you run this automation continually, it won't run like this, because it will take time like 5 minutes to create a video. So you have to halt this automation for a few minutes, okay, so that the video will get completed. Then only we are going to deliver that video. So to halt this workflow for a few minutes, we are going to use delay feature of Pabbly. Okay, for that you have to click here on this plus icon, and in this actions tab you can search for delay module. You can see here the delay, select delay module. Okay, and here it is asking delay for and delay until. So I'm selecting delay for because I'm going to delay this workflow for a few minutes. Okay, select delay for, select the unit of the delay as minutes, and here I'm going to put the value of the delay in minutes like 5. Okay, and click on save and send test request, and this workflow will be halted for 5 minutes. Okay, and after 5 minutes your video will be ready in Voxo application. Okay, so to get that video after 5 minutes here and share it with your customers, I'm going to use another action event provided by Voxo. Let me show you. I'm going to connect Voxo again here. So in the previous step where we have mapped the details to create a video, it has given us this response. It has given us the landing page when the video will be created, but it is not showing us the download link of the video that got created. Okay, so to get that link, I'm going to connect Voxo again here in this actions tab. Type Voxo. This is Voxo, and then here I'm going to select a different action event, which is get video. So it will get a native video created with the help of a code. Okay, so click on get video option, click on connect, and from this window I'm going to select this existing connection option because we have connected with Voxo in a previous step. So just keep it selected, keeps existing connection, and click on save, and you need not to enter the API things again, and you will be connected with Voxo again like this. Okay, and here it is asking for the video code. So guys, in this tab, before this delay module, where we have captured this response from Voxo, it has given us this success code. So this is the code it is asking here in the video code field. Okay, so I'm just going to map it. I'm going to click on it, and here it will show me this Voxo option. So click on Voxo and map the success code here like this. Okay, and then click on save and send test request, and let's see how the response will appear. So it might take a few moments, and you can see now it is showing us all these links, and we have this download link available here also. So this is .mp4 link. So this is the actual link of the video created in Voxo. Okay, now I want to share this video only with my customers in an email. Okay, for that you just have to click here on this plus icon, and now we are going to connect in this actions tab the email sending application, which is Gmail. Okay, and in the action event it will give you the send email option. Click on it, then click on connect, and from here select add new connection, then click on connect with Gmail. And from this window you have to select the Gmail account from which you want to send the email. Okay, so you can select your customer support account or whatever. I am selecting here one of my accounts. Okay, and then you have to provide this additional access. Click on continue. That is completely safe. Okay, and you will see the authorization getting successful here, and it started showing connected. Okay, now here it is asking for the recipient email address. So here you have to put the email address of your customer to whom you want to say thank you. So we have the details of the customers here in the spreadsheet, and we have collected the details of the customer in Pabbly Connect. So in the first step, so I'm going to map the data. Click here. You will find this Google Sheets option. Click on it, and at the end, you will find this customer email written here like this. So map the customer email address like this. And here it is asking for the CC, BCC. I am leaving these things blanks. I do not want to have anything here. And in the sender name, you can put the name of your company or any person. I am writing here Team Pabbly. In the email subject, you can put the subject like thank you, or yeah, just thank you. Or you want to customize the subject, you can write any other thing. Okay. Reply to, I'm leaving this blank. And email content type, you can select the email content like plain or HTML. I'm keeping it plain. And here in this email content, you have to actually write the email that you want to send to your customer. Okay, so let me write the email here. So guys, I have written the email here like this. Dear customer, it is always great to have customers like you. We appreciate your loyalty. Here is a token of gratitude from our side. And here I am going to map the link that we got from the previous step, where we have captured the details of the video like this. Okay, so here I'm going to map this download URL of the video. Okay, so come back to our email step, and here click on it on the place where you want to attach the video, and you will find all these previous steps here. And from this Voxo get video option, just map the download link here like this. Okay, and we have completed our email. And here in this attachment, if you want to put the link, okay, so let me do one thing. I am going to map the download link in the attachment here from the Voxo. This is the downloading link attachment, and here in this email I am going to map the landing page that we got from the first step. Let me show you. From the second Voxo step, where we have generated the native video, it has given us this landing page, the native landing page. So I'm going to map the landing page here. Okay, so that will look more perfect. Okay, now let's check our connection, it is working properly or not. And let me check the email address if I have the access. Okay, so I do not have the access of this email address. So just to show you the demo, I'm going to put my email address here, and I'll show you how the email will look like. Okay, So now I'm going to click on save and send test request here, and we will see how the email will look like. Okay, so it is taking a few moments and the it is showing the response as done. Now let's check in my email account, and you can see we have this new email. Thank you is the subject. Okay, and here you can see the email is this: dear customer, it is always great to have customers like you. And here is the file attached. Here is the landing page. Let me show you the landing page, how it will look like. And you can see this is the landing page, and here is the video that we have created with the help of Voxo. So the person can see this video like this on this landing page, or he or she can download the video from the email's attachment also. Okay, so here is the attachment. He can download the email as well. So this is how it is going to happen in real time. And guys, you just have to set up this automation only once. You have to make these connections and the workflow only once. After that, you don't have to do anything manually. You just have to enter the details of the customer and the medias here in the spreadsheet. And as you enter a new row here, the workflow will trigger and the email will be delivered to the customer whose details you have entered in the spreadsheet. And guys, the good part is I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow that we have created here in the description, so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect trial account and start running this automation instantly.